Mascot charcoal chickens.
Had the chips here many times. Friend had chicken and gravy and chips and loved it. Fresh stuff cooked every day. Really good and not expensive. Cash only.
Best chips and gravy in Sydney, and everything else is pretty good too. Nice selection of salads, burgers, chicken and hot food ready to take away. We always get our company's Melbourne Cup Day feast from here. Thoroughly recommend.
Fresh and tasty takeaway. Recommended.
Great salads and very good value.
Chickens with real flavor of charcoal, a bit pricey but worth it.